There's a seagull on Rex's balcony. I'm gonna try to feed it some crackers. Okay, put the cracker there. Oh shit. Oh, it saw the cracker. It wants it. Go get it. Come on, you know you want it. It's right there. Come on. Oh, don't pick your feathers. It's like I'm hunting the seagull. Yay! Come on, bunny. We're friends. Yay! Awesome. Yay! Throw it to you, okay? Oops. Sorry about that. Okay, last one. Oh, nice. Have it. Have it. Take it. Cool. My buddy. You want this little glass crumb? There we go. That's it. Oh, no, he's back. Aw. What a sweet bird. I'm gonna name him Buddy the Seagull. Well, I hope he doesn't keep coming back and poop everywhere. Alright, that's it. See ya.